welcome back to Fine Motor Fun with Miss Jackie. You guessed it, it's Space Day, and we'll be making flying rocket ships. Are you ready to blast off into space? 3, 2, 1, blast off! For this activity, you'll need a toilet paper roll, paint, a small paper plate or a paint cup, a paintbrush, colored paper, colored tissue paper, scissors, glue, tape, a pencil, and a straw. The first step to making our flying rocket ships is to first paint your toilet paper roll. So you want to grab your paint. You can use a paper plate or a paint cup. So I'll be using a paint cup. You want to pour a small amount of paint into your cup. Remember, it's always better to start off with a small amount and you can add more as you need. Okay. If you want, you can cover up your table or use a paper, or you can cover it up with either a trash bag or an old bed sheet or a tablecloth, just so you don't get paint on the table. I have my toilet paper roll and I want to paint it all the way around. Once you're all done painting your toilet paper roll, you can set it aside to dry. Okay, while you wait for your toilet paper roll to dry, you can get your colored paper. And this will be for the top of your rocket ship. So I'm going to do mine a bright lime green. And we want to draw a medium circle on our paper. So you can draw out a medium circle, or you can find something around your house that you can trace. So I have this container here, and I'm going to trace it before I cut it out. Once you have your circle all cut out, you want to cut a straight line from one end of your circle to the center. So you can mark the center of your circle first. And then you want to cut a straight line to that center dot. Okay, once we have that line, we can form the cone. So see, I am putting one flap on top of the other. To make that cone shape for the top of my rocket ship. Okay, once you have the shape that you like, you can use tape to secure it down. Now we can attach our rocket nose to the top of our rocket. And you can do this with tape. I'll take a little piece. And I want to tape it underneath. So I can even put my tape on halfway. Then I can press it down into my cone. And you can also do that on the other side. Now that we attached our rocket nose, we can put it to the side and we can get our other colored paper. So I'm going to use purple for mine. You can use any colors that you want. And here we're going to draw smaller circles for our rocket windows. So again, you can find any household items that would be small enough to do your rocket ship windows, or you can draw them yourself and cut them out. Now that I have my windows cut out, I can glue them right onto my rocket ship. we want to use our colored tissue paper. So preferably if you have yellow, orange, or red, because these are going to be the flames that come out from the bottom of your rocket when it launches. So what we want to do is we want to cut out strips that we'll glue to the bottom. Okay, now that we have our tissue paper cut into strips, we can glue them to the inside of our rocket ship. All right, the last part to make our rocket ship fly, we're going to need our pencil and the straw. Okay, so please ask your parents for help on this part because you're going to want to be very careful. So what you want to do, if this is the front of your rocket ship, you want to turn it over to the back. And carefully, you want to use your pencil to poke a hole to place your straw in. Okay, and it doesn't need to be too big. You can use glue. And then you can stick it into the hole. All right, and there you have it.